guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a couple of things I'm going to work with. It's for a challenge. I'll give you the details later, but I just want you to see what I'm working on before I start working on them. This is something we found in the dumpster, my daughter and I. Hope you know we are dumpster divers. And this is really beautiful. It has this little mark here. And this work here, and this is one of those things that you find at Dollar Tree, mini bowls for ice cream or whatever. So I'm going to do something with them, and I'll be back. Okay, I am back, and this is what I've done with the pieces I showed you before. I painted the bottom, I spray painted the bottom in white. I painted with acrylic and sponge the border. I like it, like this effect. And I've also painted Peace on Earth that I transferred with white transfer paper. I think I need to go on these letters a little bit more, but well, I need it to film this video right now, so I'm going to fix this problem later. I made the vines, and I also painted this bowl, mini bowl, in white. I spray painted. I use a Rust-Oleum, the one that is primer and paint all in one. Is the flat white. And what I'm going to do, I love candles. I love having candles all around my house, and especially for Christmas and the holiday season. So I'm going to glue this bowl on top, and I will place a candle. So I'm going to use E6000 because I want this to be really well fixed here. Completely adhere. And hot glue, sometimes when you are adhering glass, after a while it gets loose, and that's not what I want in this case. Sometimes I don't mind because there are things that I may want to change or reuse or repurpose later, but in this case, So I'm going to place the bowl here, and we have this piece finished. I have to make sure that it's perfectly centered, and I think we have it. Here it is. Here you have it. And I'm going to place a red candle to give it a little bit of color. That's why there was a red mark inside the bowl, because I was trying, and I like the touch of Christmassy red for this piece. The advantage with this piece is that during the year I can use it from the other side, and I can use this with greenery. I can make a nest and some eggs for Easter, for example. Many possibilities after the holiday season. So now it's a matter of waiting for this to dry and start using it, showing it in one of my shelves. I'll show you the front after finishing the video, because of course I have something else. And is this piece. This is also something we found in the dumpsters. I think I told you, honestly, I don't remember if I told you in the first part, because I filmed it a couple of days ago, that my daughter and I are dumpster divers. We are dumpster chicks, and the link to our channel is going to be in the description box. This is something else we found. Is, I think, something to keep your beverages cold or hot. And there is something missing here. This is loose. It's obvious that it has a lid. So I'm going to use it from this side, and I'm going to use it for a candle too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this mesh here and ribbon all around, on top and on the bottom of the mesh. And then I'm going to add the word joy. I have these self-adhesive letters and these beautiful snowflakes from Dollar Tree, and that's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to do this off camera because it's going to take a while, so I'll be back when everything is finished. Well, now that the mesh and the ribbon are glued, of course nobody can see the back because it's a lot of hot glue here. By the way, the ribbon is also from the dumpster. I think we found it at Michael's. The mesh is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to add the letters with the snowflakes. Let's start by the one that is going to go in the middle, in the center. And let me tell you that I'm entering this video in the monthly Flippin Friday challenge that is hosted by Jaime from Board or Bananas. The link to her channel is going to be in the description box as usual, as well as the link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Please watch all the videos and please visit Jaime's channel. And also our dumpster diving channel. Yes, thank you. Jaime is absolutely awesome, very creative, and all the people who participate in this challenge is always very creative too, so you will find a lot of new ideas in those videos. Okay, now we have this part finished, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the top. As I told you, I wanted this to be a candle holder. And I have two options. One is this one, this candle, which is also from the dumpster, from Michael's. And I can fit it in here. Let me turn it on because it was in the dumpster and it was working. And I can add it here. And it looks really good. And I really like it. But there is another candle that I like even more. It takes a little bit more of work to insert it. Let me do it separately. And I will have to lit the candle. That has one advantage, that you see that the brand of the bottle is kind of engraved here, so with this candle you don't see it, and I really like how it looks on top because I love mercury glass. Let me turn this off. So I will probably use this one. I'm going to try both versions for a couple of days and then I will decide which is the one I like the most, but so far I really like this one. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done it already and ring the bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Jaime for hosting this challenge every month, and please visit her channel and the videos in the playlist. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much as usual for watching my videos, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.